Hello and welcome to Dakota Test Prep Question Walkthrough. In this video, we're going to be dealing with a capacitor and trying to find the overcurrent for that. Since the whole point of all this is for you to pass your C of Q, we want to attack every question the exact same way. What is it asking for? What do we have? What do we need? So, what is it asking for? The question specifically here is asking for overcurrent. What is the maximum size of non-time delay fuse that can be used to protect a 600 volt, 3-phase, 35 kVAR capacitor? So what is it asking for? It's asking for overcurrent. What do we have? We have our capacitor info. And now what do we need? We obviously need our amps. As with anything overcurrent, we always need to find our amps. So this is what we're going to look for. Now, using the capacitor info in the question, we can find our amps. So we know that it is 35 kVAR. So that is 35,000. 1, 2, 3. We know that it is 600 volt. And we know that it is 3-phase. And with anything 3-phase, we absolutely need to use our... That is supposed to be period. We're supposed to use our magical 3-phase number. So once we figure this out, boom, boom, shoobity boom right there, we end up with a 33.6 amps. Now, we have to use our code book. And our code book tells us that it does not matter with capacitors what type of overcurrent. Does it matter if it's a circuit breaker? Nope. Does it matter if it's a time delay fuse? Nope. Does it matter if it's a non-time delay fuse? Nope. For capacitors, our multiplier is always a 250%. So we're going to take our 33.6 and we're going to multiply it by our 250%. And we end up with 84.12 amperes. Now, the code itself says cannot exceed. And as soon as you see cannot exceed, that means when you go to size your overcurrent, it means you have to go down. So we head over to table 13. We're going to go down, which means we end up with an 80 amp fuse. And that, my friends, is how you calculate overcurrent for a capacitor.